Let's start by navigating to the Insights section. Once there, click the Create Infoboard button to access the Infoboard templates. From the template gallery, let's choose the blank template and pick the Designer Layout option. Now, let's choose the Use API option for the Infoboard source. You will be now redirected to the API source builder. Start by naming your source. Define the HTTP request type. In this demo, we'll choose GET. Enter the API URL and define headers or apply filters if required. Click on the Play button to start importing data. Once verified, click on the Save option to link the API source with your Infoboard. Now let's add a widget to your Infoboard. Drag and drop the desired widget from the component panel onto your Infoboard. Now navigate to the Configuration tab and choose Product Sales as your data source. Select the required measures and dimensions for your widget. To format the measure, click on the gear icon close to the measure name. Define the aggregator, prefix, format, precision, and suffix for the measure as required. And there you have it, you've now successfully linked your API source with a widget in Infoveave.